So, Namaste. Today with another topic. Thank you, universe. Normally, we are speaking everything energy, everything energy, everything energy. We understand everything energy. We know everything energy. But how this is everything is energy. And the life we are living with the universe life force energy, right? You can say that is God energy, that is the balancing energy, whatever it is. The universe life force energy. What is this and how it is this? Today we'll go little about physics, science, and you everyone knows. घर में light है, current आ रहा है, how it is coming, from where it is generating. If you see, this is the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, right? On North Pole, it's a magnet. Magnet, North Pole, South Pole. So your magnetic flux flows from where? North Pole to South Pole, right? It's a magnetic flux. When you place a conductor between magnetic flux is a conductor and you rotate it, either keep your conductor steady and rotate the magnet, or keep magnet steady, rotate the conductor. There will be induced EMF, your voltage and current. This is like this coming. It's a magnetic field. When the conductor rotates, there is a induced EMF according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, and you get the current. I'll show you the how this the frequency is coming. Your frequency is like this. It's 90 degree, 0 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. Right? It's a magnetic flux. Now imagine when this conductor is parallel to this, the whole magnetic flux, it is not cutting the magnetic flux, the magnetic flux flowing, so it's a zero. Now when you start rotating this at 90 degree, you are cutting maximum magnetic flux, you are cutting the magnetic flux, your conductor, so you get the maximum energy frequency 90 degree. When again you come from there to 180 degree, you're falling down because again your magnetic flux cutting is becoming reduced and your conductor became again parallel to this, here also at zero. Now when you start again 270 degree, this is magnetic flux maximum cutting, so you get negative flux, negative frequency maximum, and so on. So when you rotate this, your frequency like this, like this. This is the AC current, which you are getting now, and this is 50 times per second, 50 cycle per second. That means the current, the light bulb is glowing in the house is continuously, it is not glowing. 50 times it is getting flashing in a second, and your eye only can catch 16 cycles per second. That's why you see, as this is a constant ball which rotating, but you can't see that current. If this is true, and you know this is true, because this you got experience, you cannot see the current, but you can experience by glowing the light, fan, whatever. If that is true, then now you see your planet. This is sun, your planet is rotating. Now here as this is rotating from 0 degree to 360 degree, there is cutting 0 degree, 15 degree, 10 degree, 90 degree, 85 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, वगैरह वगैरह. And your current depends upon how many RPM, rotation per your rotation speed per minute, right? That means your this cycle can increase, decrease according to the rotation per minute. Here, this is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Sure, you're all 9 planets. These all are how it is hanging. This is with magnetic field. This is called morphogenetic field. That means it's a universe magnetic field, and we all are hanging, and every planet is rotating on its own axis, and it is rotating throughout the sun. Everyone. That means this all magnetic flux is there. That's why it is hanging, and it is cutting the flux. That means there is a induced EMF. Just see, there is a induced EMF. Now this current, now we will come to Earth. Now this is Earth. This is current is generating. This is 7.8 kilohertz. 7.8 kilohertz, and this is constant because the Earth rotation in its own axis is constant speed. Okay, so this is constant. This 7 kilohertz is the energy flowing is good enough or balanced enough for the creating life in the earth, for generating everything, and for living as we are living. This much energy is a balanced energy for the creating life in the earth. Now any rotation difference, any current difference, earth is going to be destroyed, life is going to be destroyed. This is, we say, it's a universal life force energy, and we are taking this energy throughout our body. This energy is making. Now if this energy now is earth, one person is there, suppose you take, that means yes, 7.8 hertz energy you are taking through your body when you are making perfect earth, and you are able to take all the 7.8 kilohertz energy through you. That means your health is good, your vibration is good, you are good, you are healthy, you are wealthy, you are vibrative. But we are not able to take because of our food, because we are not doing exercise, or we are not doing, there is a resistance in your body in 7th chakra which we are blocking, right? The more better exercise you do, the better natural food you take, the be more natural and connected to earth, and connecting with air, like air, oxygen, connecting with the better the mineral water. If very natural life you are living and doing all the exercise, whatever you're doing, you are able to take this whole energy through you to make earth. That's why on नंगे पाव भी चलना बोलते हैं कि you become more to earth. The more you are earth connected, the better you are taking the energy through you. The better energy you take, this life force energy through you, the better you get heal yourself mentally, physically, emotionally. Everywhere you got heal yourself. That's what I am talking in the Thank You Universe, the routine, the ritual, everything. You are, remember, when you took birth, you were abundant. Neither you were poor nor you were rich. You are just a kid and you are abundant. The further we are growing, according to our environment, we get our mindset. Yesterday I told, day yesterday, we get our mindset and we get associated with that association which we feel it's good because of our environment, which by default you are taken. You are unable to speak 1 year, 2 year. You are unable to decide where to go, where your parents you are taking, where your parents are staying, where your school they have joined, where you were not having control over you. You have joined there and you have taken that environment when you are getting matured enough, when intelligent enough to take decision yourself, that mindset is working with you. Now this is when you understand, by the time when you become adult, you understand this was not my life, this is not my life. Your parents has given best, there is no doubt. But the by default environment you got and you got your mindset, that has to be changed. If you feel no, this is not life which I wanted in my life. I wanted a different life. Now, different life for the preparation, you need to go ahead with all this. You will have to work. There is no way out. I'll not be working and I'm going to get the change. No, not at all possible. Means that's why this today I came up with this energy. You will have to take the abundance energy of the universe. Then you are abundant and you are going to get the abundant, whether it is a health concern, whether it is a wealth concern, whether it is a happiness concern. The energy you will have to take, the vibration, the energy you are taking, you are vibrating yourself in that way and you are attracting the environment, or you are getting involved into that environment where this is going to give success. It's a truth. You ignore, you feel good if you are doing, it's all, everything is right, nothing is wrong. But if you want to change your life, you have to follow the procedures, you have to go with the sequences by understanding. I know you know everything this, but it is that who can put this all practice into life, he is the winner. Not knowing is the winner, knowing is knowing, but practice is practicing is getting. Right? Thank you.